Hi, I'm Rich from Chestnut Van Centre, showing us 2015 Ford Transit Custom. It's a 2015 65 plate Ford Transit Custom. Registration is available upon request. L1H2, which is a short wheelbase, high roof. It's a rarity. It's a 2.2 diesel, timing chain engine, not a cam belt. One fleet owner from new. It's been on the SSE fleet. So 96,000 miles, absolutely nothing on this engine. Comes with full service history. It's a 3100 plate and it is a trend, fantastic spec. Double rear doors at the back. It's got the rear parking sensors and a camera too. The rear is all line, which we'll move on to soon. Single side loading door. All our vehicles come with the new 12-month MOT. No advisories on MOTs. If it needs to be replaced, it will. Come with a full service. 2 keys. Our warranty too. Got the front parking sensor and fog lamps. 125 brake horsepower, 6-speed box. It's a good looking van. Let's have a look inside. So inside's clean tidy. You've got your 3 seats up front. No rips, no tears, no wanted smells. It's got some slight wear on the driver's seat. It's done 96,000 miles on the 2016. Power windows, power mirrors. Got the auto headlights. Multifunction steering wheel. Got the cruise control on there too. And the Bluetooth 6-speed box. Your reversing camera. Comes on your rear view mirror. It's a clean tidy cab. Driver's armrest too. Move on to the back. So it's all been lined. It's got the nice thick flooring. Factory fitted bulkhead. Got the roof done too. L1H2. Rare size. And the same from this angle. So you have it, 2015 Ford Transit Custom. It's got a new time with MOT and a full service for ourselves too. Finance and nationwide delivery also available.